In the previous video, we've built a sine wave model. The model produces a signal through sine wave source block, and the signal is shown on a graph by using a scoop sink. Now let's add a gain to the signal. A gain is a constant number that is multiplied to the output of the signal. In this model, we will amplify the sine wave signal by 3. In order to add the gain block, I will open the libraries window. From commonly used window, drag and drop the gain block. I will delete this connection by simply selecting it and press delete. Let's drag this here and do the new connections. The default value for the gain is 1. In order to change the gain value, double-click the gain block. Block parameters window will appear. Change the gain from 1 to, for example, 3. Now let's run the model. As you can see, the sine wave is amplified by a gain of 3, and the amplitude of the signal is 3. Let's, for example, change the gain to 5. The amplitude has changed to 5. If you want, for example, to show the two graphs of the sine wave signal before and after the gain at the same time, we will use a block called mask or multiplexer. This block can be found in the commonly used blocks. The purpose of this block is to take more than one signal and combine them into one single vector. Then the output of the mask block will be the input to the scoop block. In newer versions of SIMULINK, the scoop block can be modified to take more than one input. Anyways, I'm using MATLAB 2013, which I think doesn't have this option. I will drag and drop the mask block. I will remove the alt connections. The first input to the mask is the input of the gain block. The second input is the sine wave signal. So I will right click the output of the sine wave and drag it to the mask block to create a duplicate to the sine wave signal. Finally, the output of the mask block is displayed in the scoop block. Now run the model. As you can see, we have the two graphs of the two signals. The old one with amplitude equals to 1 and the new one with amplitude equals to 5.